Hello and welcome to Warrior Studio Management Software Services Overview. Today we'll be reviewing how Warrior will allow a business to set up a service and show how customers can then select a provider and book an appointment. So a bit about Warrior. We have an owner web portal that allows the owners to set up in the back end all of their administration for the different services they're going to offer and set the pricing, as well as create shifts for staff so that they know when they're working and providing services. And that shift will then allow customers to book an appointment within that shift time. Clients have a mobile app, which we'll show you, and they also have a web login as well, but we believe the mobile app will be the main way in which clients interact. And for staff, they're also able to use their mobile app to complete the booking of an appointment and collect payments, etc. So let's take a look at the admin dashboard. Top left, you'll see appointments, and you'll be able to select appointments, classes, or workshops. In this view, we're looking at the appointments for the day, and you can see that there are 2 of them on our dashboard coming up soon. One is at 2:15 to 3:15, the other one's at 3:30 to 4:30. Another view is clicking on the calendar icon and seeing it in a calendar view, and you can look at the day, a week, or a month view and see the number of appointments each day, and click on any one of them to go into details. To book an appointment for a service, if you are in the admin dashboard, you'll see a red plus sign on the top right of your screen. If you click that, it's a quick find, and you just simply select schedule an appointment. This will take you to the flow, which allows you to choose a client, which will be booking the appointment, and then select the type of service they would like. After selecting the service, which we selected was a 60-minute massage, it then tells you who is available or has the skill to complete that service. And here we have 2 different people you can book an appointment for. By selecting the person, it then takes you to their list of shifts. This calendar here shows that Rob is only available on Thursdays, and if we select the 2nd of the month, we can see which times are still available. The darker circles are appointments that have already been booked. The lighter ones are times that are still available. And when you set up the service, you provide a gap between service appointments, and our system will automatically create a gap. So you can see here that the 9:15 to 10:15 appointment, the next available time slot is 10:30 to 11:30 because we put a 15-minute gap between appointments, and that's set when you create the service appointment in the first place. So by selecting a time, you then move to confirm details. So you can select and see the appointment details, service details, amount, and confirm the booking for the client. When it comes time to completing the service, so the service has been done, you can go back to the calendar, select the service, or the dashboard and select the service, and then you'll see in this appointment details at the bottom a mark as complete. There are also options to cancel the appointment or go back to the previous screen. If you do select marked as complete, then it opens up an option at the bottom to collect payment. So you can select cash or check, or select card. If you select card, then there's the option to put in the card name, card number, expiry date, etc., add a tip if it's appropriate, and then proceed to pay. Once a person has completed the purchase or payment of the service, at the top you'll see an option to email a receipt to the customer, and this allows you to complete the process and email the receipt to your client right on the spot. The staff mobile app is a great way to also do these types of appointments and completions of appointments right on your phone and allows for mobile service providers a great way to confirm and collect payment from a customer. Here's an example. So in your mobile phone, you'll be able to go in, select your studio. You can select the details and go and look at an appointment. At this case, I'm looking at all appointments, so I can actually confirm and complete other people's appointments using my mobile app. Here, I've just marked it complete and said, great, that's done. If I select card, then it goes to a card form. If I don't want to use a card, I can select cash and just mark that it is a cash payment and make any notes I want to make there and say pay now. Once it's been completed, you can scroll up to the top and again email the receipt to the customer. So that's the process of using a staff app to complete the appointment. If I'm the client and I want to book an appointment, here's another version of that. So I go into my app, I select the studio, I can see my future and past appointments. These are ones that have already been booked. If I wanted to cancel, I'd have the option to cancel here. Going back to the studio details, I can look at an appointment, pick the service, pick the provider, look at their schedule, find a time slot, click next, see all the details, confirm my booking, and once I'm completed, it will show back up in my appointments under my studio details. There you have it. So those are the different ways in which Warrior allows a service provider to schedule an appointment for a client and complete that appointment, collect payment, and send a receipt. Thanks very much.